Hello everyone, this is Paul from HIFIMAX. The first thing is to remove the original trim panel and original display. Now we connect the power cable to the back of the original display. For the ultra-thin screen, it has an extension video cable plugged to original LVDS. The extension cable is 4 pins, but that's not important. The other 2 pins is not used. Now we connect the power cable. Please notice, when your car has the optical cable, you need to move the optical cable to the new power cable. This video will show you how to move the optical cable. This step is very important. Now we connect the IUX. In most cases, for the NPD car types, it don't need to connect the IUX. When the car is CCC, CIC, in most cases, it needs to connect the IUX cable. The next step is to connect the USB. We can put the USB in the glass box. Now we continue to install the blanket for the Linux screen. Now we recover the dashboard as original. Connect 2 cables to air conditioner control panel. Now we connect the cables for the Linux screen, the LVDS, the USB, and the power cable. And just hook the Linux screen to the bracket, then we'll be fine. Now we power on. Now, this step is to make the basic setting. The first is to set the original display so that it can show original car menu. You can choose based on your models. And now we continue to make the setting for backup camera. When your model install aftermarket camera, you need to make settings for it. We can get into original car menu to verify the setting correct or not. Another thing is the Linux screen. It designed the ground cable connections. This is the ground A and the other one is ground B. The default is disconnect like this. But when you hear the noise in the speakers, you need to connect these two cables together. Just connect together. Then it will have no noise.